Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel where you go to spot for making money online and stay ahead in the world of digital finance. If you are a beginner, so you already know the basics. This video is going to cover how you take cryptocurrency and earn a lot of money through cryptocurrency. If you are new in our YouTube channel, so first of all subscribe our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon so you receive the every incoming tips from the YouTube channel. So guys, let's start it. So guys, today's my project name is Space Frog X. Your unique tickets to a moon landing is Space Frog X is designed to be a meme token with utility. Space Frog X has everything a project need: a hype, a strong meme, and utility within crypto market. We have assembled a team of professional, a solid community, and promotional strategies to ensure that we earn a prominent place among the biggest crypto. We are sure you understand why you choose to be Space Frog X. You can go there and buy the Frog X. This is the button of this, and there are the following creators next level of this. And the Space Frog X is the crypto that offers various benefits and incentives to all its users, along with the hype of Elon Musk and SpaceX. Total security: our contract is super secure. We have implemented anti-rug, anti-high fees, and trade lock measure. Our liquidity will be locked for 3 years. 100% public and Belmont CEO will see you where you can go on this website and see about this website. Here is the next is the what is Space Frog X apart from the competition designed to be a meme with utility. Space Frog is here to change the way people see cryptocurrencies on the market. We want something complete, transparent, and well done. Auto burn autonomy. Our auto burn mechanism ensures that supply is constantly reduced, creating a deflationary environment. Each transaction contributes to the automatic burning of tokens, strengthening security and giving value of investor. Web3 spatial games embark of an innovative gaming experience based on Web3 technology. Explore the cosmos, face exciting challenges, and earn exclusive bonus in Space Frog X. The more you play, the more you win. Airdrop reward: take an active part in the community. Our community is the lifeblood behind Space Frog X success. We want to give back to our dedicated member. Total transparency: using blockchain technology, we guarantee total transparency in all transactions. Token holder can verify the transaction easily and quick, promoting trust and integrity in our community. Strategic partnership: we are establishing strategic partnership with space companies and investors in the sector to drive the adoption of Space Frog X and take our innovation beyond the limit of the earth. Liquidity lock 3 years in order to guarantee maximum security for our investor and ensure the optimal development of the Space Frog X project. Purchase by in our own swap. Several ways to secure your SFX and guarantee your first place on this top to Mars. How to buy Space Frog? Buy from us on the Swap platform or on Space Swap. A different way to buying via Pix or Space Swap to secure your SFX. Click on the link and go to the Connect wallet and buy the Space Swap. And there are the following: launch price and liquidity is 20 billion supplies at that time, and initial liquidity is 50 bands, and launch price is the following, and the initial burn is 110 billion at launch. Token in the pool to match the price, and there is the following price billion tokens, and the tokenomics fees are there: buy 7% tax, 4% marketing, 2% burn buy and burn, and 1% auto burn, and sell 7% tax, 4% marketing, 2% buy and burn, and 1% auto burn. SFX distribution according to the 420 billion supply. There are the following tokens that went to the pre-sale and the pool per Pancake Swap, and the initial burn: first listing, security listing, third listing, space game, airdrop program, stake platform, burning event. No token that have been locked with certain dates will be locked again for more days if there are any delay in delivery. There are the following security of this website, and there are the Space Frog X game, the meme inside the Web3. The Space Frog X game is indeed to play to earn game where you only need SFX tokens to play and buy accessories and skins in the game. Within the game, you can double your winning and sell them directly to your wallet. You will have several in-game events that double profits. Other update coming soon. and there are the roadmap of this website creation, the contact, social contact, launch of the website, creation of the white paper, partnership, ms but and there is a phase 1, phase 2, 5 phase of the roadmap. And who are we team? There are Leo crypto CEO and Duarte Okaram blockchain and web developer, and the Space for X help center. This is the help center, you can go and ask, and there are the following question, you go and the following, and there is the contact number, contact, and you can go and write it, your name, your email, your subject, and your message. You can go on this. This is the Telegram link, this is a Twitter link, and this is the other links of this website. You can go and send it. And so we go on this on its Telegram account. This is the Telegram account of the Space Frog X official. Here the 6,807 members are present, and now the 382 are online. You can go on the Telegram community and get the every upcoming update from it and earn a lot of money through it by playing games and other. This is the Twitter account of this website, Space Frog X, and you can see there the 4,957 are following and 3,993 are the follower. There are the following post of this website. You can see this, the market cap, liquidity, about it, and every upcoming update of this website. You can go and follow them and get every upcoming notification of this. So guys, I hope this video is very useful for you. If you like our video, so kindly subscribe our YouTube channel, hit the bell icon, and get the every upcoming tips from our YouTube channel about the crypto world. So guys, please stay here, see you in the next video.